Alright, this video is going to take you through the different things that you need to complete for Wednesday's release day. It's very important that you're watching this video because it's the only way that you're going to get all the instructions unless you're actually in class today. Alright, so what you're going to do is you are going to log into Moodle. The final checklist of things, and I'll go over this one other time, is you are going to complete the Cold War Kiosk, and I'll show you how to do that. After that, you'll complete the following quiz. After that, you need to complete an analysis of China-U.S. relations docs and make sure that you come up with 3 historical conclusions. Must detail the equation that led you to your conclusion. Make sure that you supply ample amount of evidence. I'm not going to give you any other details aside from this, other than that you need to draw the conclusions. It's going to be very important. I will be assessing you on how insightful, how well you defend your positions, and what type of ideas that you are analyzing in this. And that's going to be the final grade. It's very open-ended. It's up to you now to be the historian to determine the type of information that you need to draw from these types of documents. Okay, in terms of accessing the information, here's what you're going to do. You'll log on to Moodle, scrolling down the main block, and here's the view that you'll see for this week. You'll see today's video that you're currently watching. We have the China's point of view of the United States document, as well as the U.S. point of view of China document. In addition to that, you have the Cold War Kiosk, as well as the Cold War Kiosk quiz. So for these documents, pretty straightforward. You'll just need to open them up. As for the Kiosk, what you'll need to do is you need to have at least a PowerPoint 2007. You'll open this up and download the file. When you download the file, you'll open that. Then what you need to make sure that you do is you go to presentation mode. You click presentation mode, and you'll need to navigate through the kiosk. Do not hit escape. Certainly you can do that. There's no way that I can monitor it, but if you really want to learn the information, be able to understand a lot of these facets of history and lessons to be taken from them, then you need to make sure that you're running through this. So it'll give you the different goals, read through them. I would advise taking notes while you're completing this assignment. Read through all the different goals and objectives. Now, a couple of things in here are going to be very straightforward, especially for this class. It'll reintroduce the context of the Cold War. You should be familiar with already, unless you didn't read it. And then read a little bit about Yalta, and then it'll disclose a series of different questions. You will probably need to write down these questions. When you get to this point, you need to click here to proceed to question completion. At that point, it'll take you to the first question. What is the main idea of this passage? Read the passage between Mr. Molotov, the Prime Minister of Great Britain, and the President, as well as Marshal Stalin, and select the correct answer. If you select the wrong answer, it'll take you to a reteaching slide, which will point you out to several different details that you should have paid attention to if you wanted to get the correct answer. Then you click that to return back to the slide. Then, if you find the correct answer, which would be this one, it'll send you to the next question. Make sure that you're writing down these questions because this will be necessary for you to complete the quiz at the end. Alright, you'll need to complete this entire activity. When you are done, you'll log on, you'll take the quiz. After taking the quiz, that'll submit your grade. So that'll be part 1. Tomorrow we'll be addressing the analysis of these documents in class, as well as going over and learning a few more details about the decline of communism. Alright, that's it. Have a good day.